Hello, Bam, Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have a witch unboxing for you. It is from Sacred Space Crate for May. Got this box early, so I'm excited. Okay. This is... Oh, it smells good. Our theme... I've got a lot of papers on top here. Is Egyptian magic. So we'll go over this last because it contains the spoilers. Then we have our beautiful May calendar. Looks like Anubis. Our calendar in the back is always the moon in the zodiac. And Pluto goes in retrograde this month. And then we have this beautiful aged paper. Very pretty. And it's a radiant illumination spell. So we have a spell this month in our box. Egyptian magic, ancient whispers, timeless power is the sticker with black paper. So very nice. Let me see if I can. Okay. All right. And again, this is what it looks like. So the first thing we have is our incense, and it's Eye of Ra. Eye of Ra incense sticks. I got like 7 sticks. Something smells really, really good in here. I'm sure it's the incense. Oh, it smells so good. I love her incense. Love it. Alright, then we have a black sachet here. It looks like we have an evil eye bracelet in here. So yeah, we have an evil eye bracelet. And it has the little Hosma hand with the little evil eye in there as well. It's like, I guess you could say these are not glass beads. They're definitely plastic. But it's a cute bracelet. And then we have Isis Healing Flowers Ritual Tea. And then this is the tea. Got a little cute see-through window there. Nice. What else we got? Ooh. We have our salve. And this month it is Comfrey. Comfrey Healing Salve. And then we have our bubbled herb. Alright, our herb. We have an Isis offering this month. So, Isis offering in our cute little jar. We have our ritual oil. And let's see. Oh, it's cute. It's Hosma. Is the oil with the Hosma hand charm on it. So, ooh. We got a brown bottle. And then there is our Hosma ritual oil. Cute. And then we have our candle tin. This is raw spell candle. Radiant illumination spell. So this goes with our spell. And then we have our affirmation on top. Let's see what it looks like in here. It smells good. And it has another cute little eye in there. That's pretty cute with some crystals. That smells yummy. Yummy, yummy. Then we have, believe it or not, we have this pretty gold sachet. And in here we have a black box. And this says, Eye of Horus, ancient and wise, grant me sight beyond the skies. Illuminate darkness. Revel what's unseen. Guide me on paths where wisdom convenes. Like that. And then we have some moss. And it looks like we have the Eye of Ra necklace here. Here we go. That's one side. And I think that's the other side with the little, like, there we go. And then we have like a gold chain on the bed of moss. I like that. I love that it has a little spell on it as well. And then we have one more item here in this box. It says Isis statue. Oh, nice size. We have a nice size statue here. Alright, let's see. Here we go. Very pretty. Isis statue. That's the back. Really? Very nice. So, alright, let's go over this a little bit. Okay. So, embark on the mystical journey through the sands of time with our Egyptian magic collection, where ancient wisdom intertwines with the allure of timeless symbols. Envision the divine grace of Isis, the revered goddess of magic and motherhood, whose presence infuses our offerings with nurturing energy and protective blessings. Feel the ancient power of the Hasma, symbolizing protection and warding off negative energies, as it guides you through the labyrinth of life's challenges. Behold the watchful gaze of the Eye of Horus, a symbol of healing, protection, and royal power, serving as a beacon of guidance and enlightenment on your spiritual path. Through these sacred symbols of our Egyptian magic collection invokes the mystique of an ancient civilization, inviting you to unlock the secrets of gods and goddesses who once walked the sacred land of Egypt. So the first thing is the Isis statue, crafted with the reverence of the imbued with ancient wisdom of our statue of Isis. This Egyptian goddess stands as a beacon of healing, protection, and divine guidance on your altar. Carved from sacred materials, she radiates strength and serenity, a graceful form adorned with symbols of her power and benevolence, with outreached wings symbolizing her protective embrace. She watches over all who seek solace and her healing in her presence. The gold headdress on top of her symbolizes her connection to the sun, source of warmth, light, and life, as the goddess of magic and wisdom. Isis offers her profound knowledge to those in need, guiding them on their journey towards wholeness and spiritual growth. It's cool. I like that. Second item is the Hasma Protection Oil. Cute with charm. Introducing this Hasma Protection Oil, an harmonious infusion of ancient wisdom and earthly essence, infused with the sacred fragrances of myrrh and the invigorating warmth of black pepper essential oils. This blend is crafted to fortify your spirit and shield you from negativity. The myrrh, revered through the ages for its purifying properties, entwines with the fiery essence of black pepper, creating a potent elixir that both cleanses and empowers. So we got that. Eye of Horus Talisman Necklace. Behold the enchanting Eye of Horus Talisman Necklace, a harmonious fusion of ancient symbolism and contemporary elegance. Radiant golden ankh pendant, all-seeing Eye of Horus gleams with mystical allure and protective power. Gold-plated talisman serves as a beacon to the divine guidance and spiritual fortitude. Okey-dokey. Alright, Evil Eye Bracelet. Introducing our captivating Evil Eye Bracelet with the Cosmic Charm. Ancient symbolism of modern elegance, adorned with the wrist, with this exquisite piece crafted to ward off negativity and malevolent, say that 100 times, glances to protect the wearer from harm. In their center dangles a delicate cosmic charm, symbolizing protection, good fortune, and blessings. Blue Tiger's Eye Crystal. That I don't say. Let me see. Maybe I missed something. You never know. You never know. No. Ah, yes. Didn't think it was in there, but it is. I found it. It was hidden there good. So we have this Blue Tiger's Eye Tumble. Immerse yourself in this mesmerizing allure blue tiger eye crystal, steeped in ancient mystique and imbued with the energy of the Egyptian gods. Wow, its captivating hues of reminiscence of the Nile at twilight. This exquisite crystal invokes a sense of calm and serenity while channeling the raw power of the cosmos. I mean, it goes into more detail, but I just given you a small amount of what she wrote here. Isis flower offering herb, a blend of each for the Egyptian goddess Isis, carefully curated in a small herb jar. It's cute. Harmonious fragrance symbolizing reverence and devotion with the sacred vessel, the ethereal essence of rose petals, lavishly woven with their romantic and soothing aroma, intertwines with the gentle whispers of lavender flowers, invoking tranquility and spiritual clarity, adding the enchantments. The golden hues of calendula infuse the blend with warmth and vitality, symbolizing joy and healing. Assembled with the intention of respect. Raw Spell Candle. Introducing our Raw Spell Candle. Radiant beacon of divine illumination and vitality, infused with potent energy of the Egyptian sun god. This candle imbues warmth, vitality, and transformative power of Ra's guidance. As it burns, it releases the uplifting energy of the sunstone chips, infusing the space with positivity and courage and vitality. It is made with scents of frankincense and myrrh. Frankincense and myrrh were commonly used in Egyptian rituals and ceremonies. And it has its affirmation on the top as well. You will find that a current book of shadows cannot contain these full pages. Visit us on our storyline where we have a few giant book of shadows left from a previous box. Book of Shadows page, Radiant Illumination Spell, which is this baby here. This month, we present you with the Radiant Illumination Spell, a sacred incantation imbued with the divine energy of the Eye of Horus Talisman. As you delve into the depths of this spell, allow the radiant light to pierce through the darkness, illuminating the hidden truths and guiding your path in clarity. Feel the ancient power coursing through these words as you add them to your own Book of Shadows magical grimoire. So that is very nice. I do love that she added a spell. Then we have the Comfrey Healing Salve this month. Dive into the realm of herbal enchantment with this meticulously crafted Comfrey Healing Salve. Lovingly concocted by the skilled hands and practiced witch. Infused with the healing essence of Comfrey, the salve emerges as a potent elixir, offering solace and restoration to the weary bodies. Comfrey is revered for centuries for its unparalleled ability to accelerate the healing process. Eye of Ra incense sticks. Step into the realm of ancient mysticism with an exclusive Eye of Ra incense sticks crafted with a darky, sensual floral blend. These incense sticks are a tribute to the divine radiance of Egyptian sun god Ra. Bergamot, lemon, grounding and soothing cedarwood. Oh God, they smell so good. Oh my God. Really, really nice. Isis Healing Flowers Ritual Tea. Experience the soothing and regenerating power of Isis Healing Flowers Ritual Tea. Crafted with a blend of delicate calendula, lavender, rose. This enchanting herbal infusion is designed to nourish your body and spirit. Calendula brings forth the sunny disposition, offering gentle healing and promoting inner peace. Lavender flowers, with their calming aroma, soothes the sense and invites relaxation, while the rose petals, symbolizing love and beauty, impart the sense of harmony and joy. So it's got the same ingredients as the offering to Isis as well as the tea. We did the bracelet, we did thing. I think we got everything. As well as, of course, as our beautiful, as always, our calendar for the month of May, Taurus season. What do you guys think of Sacred Spaces Crate? Egyptian Magic. I love it as always. I love how she puts together and blended this one together. The smells in this boxes are amazing. I love the use of the talismans. And I love this Isis statue. It's a really nice size. I'll leave the information down below, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.